Dalal Damad analogy that has been made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, it seems it has garnered a reaction from Robert Vadra himself, because he's calling the statement and the claims that have been made by the Prime Minister as baseless.
मैं काफ़ी हैरान था कि अब जो प्रधानमंत्री जो अपने प्रचार शुरू किया हरियाणा में, तो पहले ही प्रचार में उन्होंने फिर से मेरा नाम का गलत इस्तेमाल किया और जिस तरीके की भाषा भी इस्तेमाल की लोगों को पसंद नहीं आएगा। और अगर वो दामादों और दलालों की जैसे भाषा इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो गलत है। उन्होंने 10 साल में कमीशंस खड़ी की, जो ढींगरा कमीशन थी या आरटीआई हुए कि और अलग अलग तरीके इस्तेमाल किए, जिसमें उन्होंने पता किया, कार्रवाई की कि रॉबर्ट वाड्रा की कंपनी में कितनी ज़मीन है हरियाणा में, और उनको वहाँ क्लियर पता चला कि मेरी कंपनियों में 1 एकड़ भी ज़मीन नहीं है। उन्होंने जितनी भी कार्रवाई की कभी भी उनको कुछ गलत नहीं मिला, चाहे उन्होंने जितनी भी बेबुनियाद इल्ज़ाम लगाए, बिल्कुल कोई भी गलत चीज़ नहीं मिली।
Well, Amandeep, as far as what has been said by the Prime Minister in the Dalal Damad attack, Robert Vadra seems to be offended with the statement that has been made by the Prime Minister.
Absolutely, Amita. Just because indirectly, without naming Robert Vadra, Prime Minister, straight away making the people aware that what had happened in 2014 when Bhupinder Singh Hooda was the Chief Minister, and even after 10 years, after 5 years of his governance, the inquiries have been started. If we talk about AJL scam, if we talk about Manesar land scam, so these are all the scam which is under the investigation. And in fact, Robert Vadra was the biggest beneficiary into this entire issues also. So straight away, Prime Minister is targeting that if the Congress party repeats again, that exercise will be done again to favor the one family of the Congress party by Bhupinder Singh Hooda or the Congress party leaders in the state of Haryana. So they straight away, just because they are involved into the cases, AGL scam, the CBI investigation, the ED investigation, time and again Bhupinder Singh Hooda has been questioned several times by the ED, by the CBI in the multiple scams, and in fact several other officers during the Congress tenure, they have also been questioned by the investigating agencies. So just Prime Minister
corruption allegations that has been leveled by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, of course, as far as the issue what's happening in Karnataka too was raised while during his address there about 9 days to go before the state of Haryana also goes to vote. This has been the political discourse that has now been witnessed just before the elections. Thank you very much for the moment, Amandeep, for joining in. You're watching Times Now. Back after a short break.